Hello. In this video you will find more information about this product. Castor oil 4 ounces, USDA certified organic, 100% pure, cold pressed, hexane free by Blanc. Stimulate growth for eyelashes, eyebrows, hair. Skin moisturizer and oil cleanse. Free starter kit. This product has 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 3,421 customer reviews. Review by Jessica Coleman. I have tried the Rosehip oil from this same company and I really liked it, but I have to be honest and say that the castor oil really didn't work out well for me. I was using it on my eyebrows and eyelashes to promote hair growth, but after 3 or 4 days I began to get tiny bumps around my eyelashes, and small zits, pimples around my eyebrows. Being close to the eyes, they're quite painful, so I'm going to quit using the oil and hope that they clear up fast. Not everyone will have this reaction, of course, but people should know the risk. Review by Amazon customer. So I normally don't take the time to write reviews, but for this it's worth it. I had eyelash extensions that ruined my natural lashes and needed something to help them grow back, and oh my goodness, this works. You can find the link in description. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe.